Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of NZDUSD, New Zealand dollar, US dollar for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of NZD USD in front of us right now, and as you can clearly see that market is extremely bullish. You can see that this is a trending market with heavy buying pressure, and as we all know, the basic rule, the thumb rule of the market says follow the trend. Follow the trend means if a market is an uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. And as we can clearly see that this market is extremely bullish, therefore we should mainly look for buying opportunities, because if you go ahead and short the market right now, considering that market will be going down, then you'll be going against the trend. You will be going against the trend, and that will be a huge risk. So we should not make those mistakes. And in a market condition like this, it is very tough for us to get a proper position, because market is so bullish that we think that market will be coming down, then we'll get a position to we'll get a good position to go for buying order. But it is very hard to catch a market like this. And as a result, we mainly miss the opportunities. So let's see what can be the opportunity for Monday. So as we know, New Zealand dollar, US dollar has a correlation with the chart of DXY US dollar, and as we all know, DXY is in downtrend for the last couple of days, and you can see that this New Zealand chart, New Zealand dollar, US dollar is moving up and US dollar is going down. As USD is going down, NZD is strengthening. And yesterday, after the NFP report, dollar again weakened. Dollar witnessed some heavy selling pressure, and again New Zealand dollar, US dollar started going up. But right now you can see that US dollar has found a support here. If I zoom out the chart, you can see that US dollar is just standing at the support here. There is a possibility on Monday that US dollar will be going up. I'm not saying this will be a trend reversal. US dollar may try to recover. US dollar may try to recover and may go up a little. But if it goes up again, it will be facing resistance at this trend line, because this trend line is acting as a resistance for the market. So what I'm saying is that if dollar tries to go up on Monday from here, then definitely NZD will be going down, or will be coming down a little bit for taking rest. So we may get a good opportunity to catch New Zealand dollar, US dollar, NZD USD here. You can see that I have drawn a trend line here. And as you can see that market is respecting this trend line as a support here. So I would like to request you, if you do not have this trend line present on your charting platform, then you must draw this line, because this is the only support, on nearest support to the market. So in case market comes down, then you can hope that this trend line will be acting as the first support for the market. And if market bounces from the trend line, then definitely you can go for a buy order. Are you getting my point? Listen to me carefully. So on Monday, there is a possibility that dollar may try to recover. So on Monday, there is a good possibility that NZD USD will be coming down a little. So when NZD USD will be near the trend line, just observe the price and see how the price is reacting. If you see the market is respecting the trend line and about to bounce, you will get the confirmation that yes, this trend line is a valid support, and you can click on the buy button. On the other hand, if you find market crossing the trend line, or market not respecting the trend line, then don't do anything. Then you just wait for the market to take support at this particular level, 0.7100. This is the next support for the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. So in case market breaks the trend line, then also don't worry, just relax and wait for the market to take support at this level. There's a good possibility market will take support and bounce from here. And again, if market bounces from this level, go for buy. So whatever, Okay, whatever, you just need to follow the trend of the market, and you can only follow the trend of the market if you buy at the support. And right now we have got two support for NZD USD chart. So the first support is this trend line, and the second support is this level 0.7100. If market bounces from the trend line, well and good. If market crosses the trend line, you'll get the next buying opportunity at this particular level. Clear? And if we look at the Forex sentiment meter here, you'll find the Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. In the Forex sentiment meter, New Zealand dollar US, you can see that 94% retail traders have taken short position, and only 5% retail traders have taken long position. In this market, 94% retail traders have taken short position, and this is the main reason why 90% retail traders lose money, because they fail to follow the trend of the market. Retail traders generally assume that market has reached the top, it will be going down. Market has reached the bottom, it will be going up from here. Who the hell are you to judge the market? Market market is driven by big players. So my dear friends, if you want to make money from the market, always follow the trend of the market. This is my request. It's the only way if you want to make money from the market. Okay, so do not follow the herd, do not follow the crowd. Just do proper analysis and take trade accordingly. Okay, so only buy when market will be bouncing from this trend line, and only go for buy if market bounces from this level. Okay, otherwise do not short the market. This market is extremely bullish. If you short the market, then you will be making a big mistake. Until and unless there is a trend reversal on NZD USD, do not think about shorting the market. Okay, right now 94% retail traders are in loss, and this is the main reason why more than 90% traders always lose money. Okay, and my dear friends, recently I have launched a Pro Trader membership program where you can be a part of my analysis, where I'll be sharing the best trading opportunities on the market with you. If you are interested in the Pro Trader membership program, then you can just visit the Pro Trader page here. You will get all the necessary information. And if you want to learn trading, if you are a beginner, if you think that I can be a good teacher, just visit the workshop page here. You'll find the information, all the required information. Okay. So that's it. Hopefully you've understood. So if you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you on Monday again, and please follow the trend of the market. Bye bye.